Enhanced ground proximity warning systems rely on accurate terrain databases. When terrain databases are updated, the LRUs must be updated too. In this video, I'm going to show you how to load the terrain database into the Mark V and Mark VII LRUs. To do this job, you'll need a PCM-CIA card with the terrain database, headphones, and a label and a marking pen. There are three basic steps. First, you're going to load the database, and then you're going to verify the load. Finally, you'll record the modification status on the LRU. Make sure the Computer OK LED on the EGPWS front panel is on. If the external fault LED is illuminated, don't worry about that. As long as the LED is green, you're okay. Insert the PCM-CIA card into the unit. The LRU takes care of the power for the card, so you don't have to worry about that. When you insert the card, the LRU automatically starts loading the database. The In Progress LED will come on, and the Computer OK LED will go off. That means the database is loading. When the Transfer Complete LED comes on, the installation is complete. After about 15 seconds, the Computer OK LED should come on. That tells you that the database load was successful. If you get a Transfer Fail LED, try reloading the database to the card. If that doesn't work, contact the Technical Operations Center. After you load the database, you've got to verify that you loaded the correct one. We do that with Level 3 self-test. You may initiate this from the flight deck or from the LRU. We're going to run it from the LRU. The self-test button is behind the front panel door. For this procedure, we'll use the short cancel to skip over the Level 1 and 2 self-tests and go directly to the Level 3 self-test, System Configuration. The self-test will give you audible messages, so plug in your headphones. Push the self-test button to start the Level 1 self-test. When you hear the self-test message,
glide slope, in-op,
push the self-test button again to cancel the test and skip to the Level 2 self-test. When the Level 2 self-test message starts,
current, false,
push and hold the self-test button for 5 seconds to cancel the Level 2 self-test. When you hear the continue message,
press 2, continue.
Push the self-test button to start the Level 3 self-test, the system configuration. Listen for the version message to verify the correct database has been loaded.
Database, version 4.6.1. Envelope, mod, database, version B07.
You'll hear another message when the Level 3 self-test finishes.
Press 2, continue.
But don't continue, you've got what you needed. Let the test stop. The final step is to record the terrain database number on the LRU. You'll write it on a label on the inside of the front panel maintenance door. You can order a new terrain database label. The part number is in the service letter. For more details about terrain databases, see the service information letter or the service bulletin. For technical assistance, contact the Technical Operations Center.